guys, Miss Heidi here, and today we're going to be doing an experiment called the Instant Ice Experiment. So all you'll need is a water bottle and your freezer. So let's get started. So first we're going to start by placing our water bottles in our freezer for about 1 to 3 hours. You want your water to still be liquidy. You don't want it to be frozen or have any solid chunks of ice in it. And you also want to make sure that you have your water sideways like this. So let's go ahead and do that. So after a few hours, we're going to very carefully take our water bottles out of our freezer and be careful not to shake the water. And then we're going to take them over to our table or counter and tap them down, and let's see what happens. So now I'm going to carefully take my water bottle out and show you what happens. Here is my water bottle, and now I'm going to tap it onto my counter. Did you see that? It's frozen. So what happened was our water had reached the freezing point, but it did not have time to crystallize. So when water crystallizes, that's when it becomes frozen. And so by carefully taking our water bottle out of our freezer and tapping it on our counter or table, we agitate or disrupt it and encourage crystallization. And that's how you make instant ice. I hope you enjoyed this instant ice experiment and try it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!